Good afternoon, students. Today, to continue the last videos where the remainder and finding the remainder and the factors of the any polynomials. So we just seen that some different type of the questions. Question is that find the remainder when pi t cube plus 3 pi t square is divided by the t plus pi. Second, one question I solve, second question you solve. 5 plus 1 by pi. It will be divided to the 2t ka power q plus 3 pi t square. So what we get the remainder? So first t plus pi. Then 0 is equal to t plus pi, so t is equal to minus pi. So the zeros of the t is the minus pi. If we put that as equations, t minus pi equals to 2t cube plus 3 pi t square. Then 2 into minus pi का whole cube plus 3 into pi into minus pi का whole square. Again 2 into what we get? If the minus pi is the cube, if we find the cube, so what we get? Minus pi cube plus if with the minus pi, the square will be the even number, so the product will be the positive. If the minus sign of the numbers, if the power is the odd number, so its value will be the negative. So what we get? 3 into pi square. If we just solve it, minus 2 pi cube plus, we take the exponent of pi is the 1 and exponent of pi is the 2. So using the exponent rules, 3 pi ka power 3. So like terms, so with the subtracted and we get the minus we get the pi power cube is as the remainder. So it is just check by the long division method. So what we get? The remainder will be the same or the different. So checking by the long division method. By the remainder theorem, we get the pi cube as a remainder. Noted that. Then we divided that. T plus pi divided by to the 3 pi t square. So how to divide? You know very well. We first of all we'll check the sign. Both are the positive. The coefficient of 1 and 2. So we multiply by the 2. Exponent will be 1 and will be the 3. So multiply by the 2 times. 2t cube 2t square multiply by the t plus pi. So what we get? 2t cube plus 2 pi t square plus 2 pi t square minus 3 pi t square minus 2 pi t square is equal to pi t square. Pi t square. So where the t, where first of all we check the sign, positive, positive. Then the coefficient is 1, coefficient is the pi. So we just multiply by the pi again. The value, power of the t is the 1, power of t is the 2. So we multiply by the pi t. So pi t into t plus pi. So pi t square plus pi square t. So pi t square plus pi square t minus minus cancel. So minus pi square t. So where the coefficient will be, the first of we sign the change plus minus. So we put the sign minus. The coefficient of 1, coefficient of pi square. So pi square, power of t is 1, power of t is 1. So just 1 we multiply. So what we get? Minus pi square into t plus pi. So what we get? Minus pi square t minus pi q. So written that minus pi square t minus pi q plus plus. So pi q. That's the same remainder we find that. So we checking that the if we divided by the long division methods and the direct value, the putting the value of t in that expressions, the remainder will be the same. So your division will be the correct. The next questions we discuss. So next questions from the NCERT. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the first x plus 1, second x plus 1, x minus 1 by x, third x, fourth x plus 5 and fifth 5 plus 2x. One questions will be discussed and rest of the all questions will be solved by you. X minus 1 by 2 is divided by x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. First x cube, x square, x cube minus 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 by 2 means x cube minus x square by 2. So x cube minus x square by 2 minus plus cancel. So where that the 3x square plus x square by 2 plus 3x plus 1. So first of is adding that. Then 6x square plus x square by 2 plus 3x plus 1, or written that 7x square by 2 plus 3x plus 1. Then finally we take 7x square by 2. Here the x, but here the 7 by the coefficient of the x is the positive 1. The coefficient for x square will be the 7 by 2. So we just multiply by the 7 by 2. X square x. So we just multiply by the x. So what we get? 7 by 2x, x minus 1 by 2. 7 by x square by 2 minus 7x by 4. So here written that 7x square by 2 minus 7x by 4 minus plus cancel. So 3x plus 7x by 4. We simplify that. 12x plus 7x by 4, or 19x by 4 plus 3x plus 1. So 19x by 4. So you just multiply by the 19x by 4 into x minus 1 by 2, where 19 by 4x minus 19 by 8. With 3x to already. So just multiply by the plus 19 by 4. So we get the 19x by 4 minus 19 by 8 minus plus cancel. So 1 plus 19 by 8 is equal to 8 plus 19 by 8. That's the remainder. So the remainder is the 27 by 8. So we note that 27 by 8 the remainder. Then I checking the another process, the remainder will be the right or wrong. So if x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 by 2. So px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. If the value of 1 by 2, then 1 by 2 का power cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 का power 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So cube of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Someone have written the students 3 by 8. That's the wrong. Because the product of the 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 only. Someone have written that sir 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3. But here the not the multiple of that. So 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Or we written that 1 by 1 also. So we taking the LCM is 8, 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 is equal to 27 by 8. Both the remainder have the same. So the rest of the questions we do in our homework. Next questions have to discuss. So the next topic is the factor. In the previous we discussed about the remainder, and that is the next topic is the factor. Then continues the factor theorem where we explain that on the basis of the factor. So what the factor? If anyone say that, so what is the factor? So everyone said 4 is the factor of 8, 16 and so on. Means you just take the, if we get the 16, you find the how many factor of the 16. The 2 factor is the every number, 1 and number itself. So we get the 2 factor is already 1 and 16. If you just find out the how many another factor, So the factor is that the number which is exactly divisible of the given number, exactly divisible and that not in a decimal, in a whole terms, maybe just in a practice. So the factor of 16 will be the 1 2 4 8 16. Means if we divided by the 1 to the 16 and the remainder will be the 0. If we divided by the 2 to the 16 also we get the remainder will be 0. 16 divided by 4 is also the remainder will be 0. If we divide by 8 also the 0. 16 to 16 also we get the 0. Means कि the numbers which we divided by the another number we get the remainder will be the 0. So the numbers which we divided by the number is the factor of that the given number. Means अगर ये आप देखो 1 2 4 6 और 1 2 4 8 and 16 means ये इसका फैक्टर है. कैसे? अगर आप इससे इसको डिवाइड करते हो तो होल नंबर में, डेसिमल की बात नहीं करना, होल नंबर में इसका अगर डिवाइड करते हो तब इसका रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा. सबसे अगर डिवाइड करते हो तो सबका अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. मतलब कि 16 का फैक्टर 1 भी है, 2 भी है, 4 भी है, 8 भी है और 16 भी है. सेम थिंग अब पॉलिनोमियल अगर हम बात करते हैं कि अगर वैसा कोई टर्म्स को किसी टर्म्स के साथ अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो और अगर उसका रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो वो उसका फैक्टर कहलाता है. So a question is a polynomial and the given that x cube minus x plus c. Find that x minus 2 is a factor of that or not. ये फाइंड करना है. तो इसके लिए क्या था, हम एक मेथड्स था हमारे पास लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड्स भी. और डिवाइड कर लो x minus 2 divided by x cube minus x minus 6. You divide very fast. You already practiced. Minus plus. So 2x square minus x minus 6. So multiply by the 2x. So 2x square minus 4x minus plus. So 3x minus 6. Again we multiply by the 3. So 3x minus 6. So what we get? The remainder will be the 0. So in that cases we say that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus x minus 6. That's the factor theorem. When we divide by the any polynomial by the any expression, if then the remainder will be the 0. So we say that the expression is the factor of the given polynomial. So we just find out the factor of that any expressions. If they just give the some questions. So your homework is determine which of the following polynomials had x plus 1 as the factor of that. 4 different questions. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Next, x का power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Next, x का power 4 plus 3x power cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. X cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. We just find that all the 4 different questions as treated as the 4 different questions, but the terms we find out x plus 1 is the factor of is और नॉट ट्रू। मतलब कि इस 4 क्वेश्चंस में से आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि इस 4 में से किस किस का ये x+1 जो होगा उसका फैक्टर होगा। आप कोशिश करोगे इसको बनाने के लिए दोनों ही मेथड से, एक लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड्स एंड फिर द पुटिंग द वैल्यू मेथड्स। सो इससे क्या होगा कि आपका दो चीज क्लियर होगा, आप डिवीजन पे परफेक्शन आएगी और फिर से कैलकुलेशंस भी आपका सही होगा। सो यू फाइंड द 4 question is there and 4 question to on the previous find the remainder और ये चैप्टर्स में भी मैंने दिया था, उसमें से 4 क्वेश्चन और इसमें से भी 4 क्वेश्चन आपके हो गए, क्योंकि कल संडे है और आपके पास टाइम बहुत ज्यादा होगा, इसलिए आप उसमें प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। और इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम्स देन वी डिस्कस एंड बट सम very important things, we cannot be send the solution in group, because if you send the group someone have the not in doing so, you just copy that the group, so you just send my on WhatsApp number. Thank you.